What's up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. So tonight, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and sit there. I'm gonna say hopefully tonight we get some action, and I don't mean that kind of action, you know what I'm saying? So don't be thinking wrong, you know what I'm saying? And what's gonna end up happening, guys, is that tonight, you guys seen yesterday, we ended up going to like a Cars and Coffee, but I didn't really video much of it. I didn't video any of it, actually, just because I didn't want to bore you guys with that content. It doesn't look like you guys like that content, but I figured do something a little bit different. It was a short video because all we really did was I really went over there, did what I had to do, and then came back and I got a few little test runs in, I guess you can say, versus those two cars. One was just an all motor, stock motor, I'm pretty sure. I even gave him the hit just to play around, joke around, and see what this car is. Because right now the car is still currently front wheel drive, as I'm waiting for the diff still to meet up with the homie. So I figured get a little bit of action, still drive the car, and that was the purpose of putting it back together, so that I can drive it until the diff comes back. But yesterday I ended up getting a message or a phone call by my little brother saying this guy was calling out people because he had just gotten off the dyno and basically wanted to call out people. So he was supposed to be running the homie Jose with the Accord, and I guess Jose was busy, so they couldn't get in last night, and he was just trying to put it up saying, hey, anybody want to run, you know, the EK? And there's really nobody answering. So they did set up that race for the homie and the other guy that got off the dyno to run, and they're supposed to be running today. It's not a dig race, it's more of a roll racing. So we're gonna go ahead and see how it goes. And I figured, guys, I'd take you along as I'm gonna go taking the all-wheel drive EK sedan, currently front wheel drive because it does not have the diff. So I figured take it out there, see what happens. I am gonna be picking up my little brother, so I thought he can go with me and we can just cruise together, and hopefully he can get some of the content for you guys and record a little bit of it. But I ended up coming in here, warming it up, as you guys seen in the beginning. Car is fully warmed up, made sure everything was good, made sure we have fuel. Just wanted to check the oil level again. All that's good. And I ended up installing another mirror because the mirror that was in here, stock one, was just too small, and I got really good deals on these. I got a bunch of these mirrors, guys. This is more than I'm just taking these with me tonight and see if anybody's interested. I'm selling them for 20 bucks each plus shipping, or 20 bucks local pickup here to Riverside area, Moreno Valley area, and I'm willing to ship them if you guys don't want it. These are 270 millimeter mirrors. I got them at a good deal, so like I said, I'm making a few bucks on it, and if you guys are interested, I'll do 20 bucks plus shipping, which is probably like $5 more. But if you guys are interested, guys, let me know. I have a bunch of them. I mean, I bought a bunch of them from this guy, so that way make a few bucks, you know what I'm saying? Whether I make $4 on each one, it's just a little bit of profit to help me get this going, you know what I'm saying, and keep, you know, money flowing in, and that will help me maintain this car. But nonetheless, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and update you guys once we get over there, once I pick up my brother, and then we'll head over there. So pick back up in a little bit. So we just showed up, we're here waiting, we've been talking for a little bit, and just trying to get everything squared away. It's gonna be the homie with the Accord versus this dude with the built B series, a GSR boosted. He's gonna be running them, so they're gonna be just them two racing. We just came to see how it goes. Hopefully it goes good for both of them. Like I said, best of luck to either one of them, but we're gonna go get things situated right now. Hopefully everything goes good, man, and I'm gonna see if my brother will record everything to make sure we can have some little bit of feed. So my money is on the homie. We'll see how it goes, man. So homie, you got the other guy, and then you got another guy over there, and we got the truck and trailer just in case something does happen. So warming up the car now. Let's get to it.
150 to 9 if you want to do it. Perfect. On my roll though. On the 60 to whatever you want. What do you want to kill it at?
130. Yeah, because 130 was too.
Yeah, you guys are already swift.
Well, my car cuts off like mid-4.
That's cool. You take Zell or something? Yeah.
Okay, well, it was hard for me. I didn't pay. Who
I got a video.
Well, he beat me on the 40 to 120.
Oh, okay. Well, the second time we missed gear, huh?
Yeah,
That
that's
shit.
You know, next time, push the clutch and you're gonna fucking drop a valve. You do that shit again. That shit like.
I heard that shit a lot.
I heard him right behind him.
Well, I
like
seen
I
you
was
first
like,
going down.
whoa.
Hopefully he didn't jump.
Anytime, yeah, anytime you miss gear, you push that fucking.
Clutching.
When I hit it.
Alrighty guys, so we just got back and you seen what it did. Hopefully my brother got a good enough video of it. I was driving and I'm proud of that baby, man. Motherfucker moves. She moves for what it is. And kept up in the smoke some of these foods, the 2 foods, but good run. Yeah, I mean, it was just low dollar, friendly fade, and see who was just quicker. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, 1K series, 1B series, about almost the same power. I believe the Accord is making a little bit more power than him, but again, this guy called the homie out, so the homie just had to try to see what it would do. But good run nonetheless. The homie already left right now. He got paid and left because he had little things to do with his family, and then he had to return the truck back home. You know what I mean? Drive the car home and so on and so forth. So it's just like a lot of chaos going on. But yeah, good racing, good run. You know, friendly fade, and at the end of the day, everybody got paid. The guy Jose got paid. And there was no issues, no bullshit, and this was just a small little thing because again, nobody wants to fight. We don't want to fight. We're not about that. We're just about having fun and doing it. But you know, props to both of them. They all did it, and props to Gumby, man. Gumby did his job and kept up and put power down. It just spins like crazy, but nonetheless, happy with it. So we're gonna go ahead and head home right now in a little bit, guys, and we'll catch you guys back at the house.